Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy, come.
Good morning. Your truck, yeah. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright. You need to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to give me Cheetah and your blanket?
Open the door.
Yeah, go on. Alright, come on. Oh my goodness, let's go to the bathroom then. I've said good morning yet, but good morning. It is now 10:46 and I just came back from doing a little groceries. I just came back from doing a couple of groceries is what I meant to say. And give me this. Oh my god. I swear, as soon as he sees me pull out the camera or get a little distracted, he thinks he can do like whatever he wants. Anyways, yeah, I picked up some produce and I'm just need to go ahead and put that away, and then I need to start the crock pot. And I need to go to Target later, but I don't know if I can do that right now or if do that when Michael gets home from work. It's really cloudy today, so if it's cloudy in here, I'm sorry. Lately has been sitting in the bathroom floor because we're still potty training. I kind of feel that he wasn't fully ready yet, and I kind of pushed it a little too much, and I realized that after we had started, and so I kind of feel like I couldn't like go back, like I had to like just do it. Anyways, he's not doing too bad. I definitely don't think he was ready yet. I think like I said, I think I tried to do it too early on. But he's not doing too bad. I bring him to the bathroom maybe like once every like 40 minutes to like 50 minutes. Sometimes I push it for an hour and he's fine. And sometimes he'll tell me pee-pee or poop, mostly pee-pee, and before he goes, so that I can bring him to the bathroom. But for the most part, he doesn't tell me and he'll just do it, and then he'll be like, uh-oh. So I don't know, but we're still doing it. I mean, he hasn't worn any diapers. He only wears a diaper for nap time and for bedtime, and when he wakes up from a nap, the diaper is pretty dry. Like maybe he just peed once or twice. And then we bring him to sit in the toilet for a little bit, and then he'll pee a lot more. So like he's starting to hold it a little bit longer, so that's good. I mean, when we started, I was bringing him to the bathroom like every 10 to 15 minutes. Like my life was literally the bathroom. But now I'm bringing him, like I said, every 40, 50, sometimes even an hour. But yeah, it's like I have to remind him to go to the bathroom. He doesn't like necessarily tell me he has to go. Sometimes he does, but not always. So he's sitting in the toilet right now, and we have like books for him here so he can entertain himself. He poops in the toilet just fine. He has not had a pooping accident at all. He poops in here just fine. He pees in here just fine too. Just sometimes he just doesn't tell me that he needs to go until it's too late. Yeah, and he doesn't have like a certain spot where he goes and pees or anything like that. He just goes like, if he has an accident, it's just anywhere. Sometimes we go days without having an accident. Sometimes we have 3 accidents in a day. So, I mean, it's definitely progress. It's definitely getting a lot better. And I definitely think that he's understanding what's going on. But I still think that I pushed it and that maybe he wasn't ready. But when I realized that, I felt like it was too late and I just had to go through with it. So yeah, so when we go out to like the stores or something, I sometimes will take his little, the one you put on the toilet, and I'll use that. Or if Michael's going with me, it's a little easier because what he does, he stands him on the toilet and has him aim for the toilet. So that's easier. But if he ever has to poop in public, you know, he has to sit down. So yeah, but I mean, we've been doing pretty good. We were out of our house. We've been out, I mean, we've been out and about. Like, we don't say like, oh, he's potty training so we can't go anywhere. At the beginning I did, but now it's like, well, you know, I'll just take a bunch of extra clothes and if it happens, it happens. And so we've gone out where we've stayed out for hours and hours and hours, and he's been totally fine. Like, he goes to the bathroom, poops, pees just fine. But there's times when, like I said, we go out or just throughout the day he has 2 or 3 accidents in a day. But there's days where there's nothing. So yeah. So I'm giving you guys a bathroom update. So yeah. Anyways, I'm still pregnant. There's still a baby in there. Is there a baby in here, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah, you're half naked. You need to sit down.
20 minutes.
Okay. Michael, are you ready for the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think it's a boy or a girl?
We go.
You think it's a boy, girl?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
Boy.
Boy?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have a brother or a sister?
Brother.
A brother? Oh my gosh. Is the baby coming soon, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna be gentle with the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you love the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where's the baby, Michael?
Right there.
Where? Where's the baby?
Right there.
Oh. Does the baby move a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is the baby gonna say?
Papa Green.
Stop on, that's the page. Michael, what is the baby gonna eat?
Papa Green.
Michael, what's the baby going to eat?
Eat the mother.
Eat the mother? Oh my gosh. Michael, what's the baby gonna eat?
Go pee pee.
You need to go pee-pee?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go pee-pee.
Baby.
Oh, that's very nice. Are you excited for the baby, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you gonna say to the baby?
Happy day.
You gonna say happy birthday? Is the baby gonna cry?
Yeah.
Yeah? How does the baby cry? Oh, like that? And is the baby gonna sleep?
Yeah.
How does the baby sleep? Oh, does the baby snore?
Yeah.
How does the baby snore? That's funny. That's funny. Are you gonna be a good big brother?
Go pee pee.
Yeah, go pee-pee. Are you gonna be a good big brother, Michael?
Stop.
Hey, are you gonna be a good big brother?
Good brother.
Yeah? Are you gonna be nice to the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna love the baby?
Yeah.
Oh. What else are you gonna do with the baby?
Hug a baby.
You're gonna hug the baby?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. What else? Are you gonna read books to the baby?
Yeah.
What are you gonna show the baby?
Go dog go.
Go Dogs Go, that book right there. Very nice. So I just realized that today is the 20th, tomorrow is the 21st, and you okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Anyways, tomorrow is the 21st, and one of my doctors had told me that the baby could come from the 21st on, and it's like, oh my god, I just realized that today. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's still so much to do. Like, we haven't bought the cloth diapers yet, but I have, you know, regular diapers. We got the bassinet. I have the baby's clothes all washed, but I feel so unprepared still and so not ready. And I just can't believe that it's almost time. Like, it's almost time. Oh my gosh. So we're working on kind of organizing this closet. This is Michael's closet slash the new baby's closet. So we have that cabinet there that's kind of empty, so we can probably store some things in there. And we can probably move some stuff up here and put some stuff up here too, Michael. But the other bin I was thinking can go on top of this one, but I don't know where we would put the stroller. Maybe it could fit right here.
Stickers, yeah.
A sticker.
And yeah.
Sticker.
We'll get the stickers later, okay?
I know that's frustrating to you.
It is. It's a mess.
What would you want me to do? How else could I have done everything? I can stack this thing up. I can play up.
What do you mean?
Instead of laying it down, I can stack it.
Yeah, but
Put the car seat on top of the thing.
it's not gonna make much of a difference. I'm thinking, how are you gonna get the base
What base?
of the car seat? You threw it all the way in there, didn't you?
Yeah, watch. Put it right here. It's easy to get out. Take it out.
Okay. Okay.
What?
Nothing. If you think it's easy, then that's fine. You're the one who's gonna do it, not me.
How hard now is to get back in. Beautiful. You making it all itchy?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It hurts.
How else would you like it, Blanca? Tell me and I'll do it.
Nothing.
Tell me
I'm
how
not saying anything.
I can see it all over your face.
Am I saying anything?
You're saying it with your eyes.
What am I saying with my eyes?
I can't do this.
I can't do what?
I can't do this mess. Oh, that thing sticks out to 4 feet.
You are such a complaining Nancy right now. Stop. Stop. Get away.
Let go, let go.
You're gonna rip
No,
it.
you-
Stop.
no,
No.
let me help you.
No, get away. You're just being a jerk now.
I have a perfect spot for it, for real. Come on.
No.
Come
No.
on. Come on.
No. Stop.
Perfect.
Stop.
Tell me what you want. I'll do it. I don't care. Just hurry up.
I think we should put the packing plate in the back. I thought you said you didn't care.
I don't care. But you change your mind.
Yes, and
More
I will
times than you
change it
change
1,000
your underwear.
times more. Don't worry.
Thing on the fucking bottom.
Huh?
Pick the thing on the bottom.
It's not at the bottom. It's right there.